The lines L1 and L2 are two parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines that will never meet. You can see the arrows indicating their directions. Find the angles R, S, T, and U. By making use of our knowledge on angles, it is possible for us to find the unknown angles in the above figure. Take solution. First, we are going to start by finding the angle R. The angle R and the angle 30 degrees, they are alternate angles, and alternate angles are equal. Take the first step. The angles R and 30 degrees are alternate angles. That is, R is equal to 30 degrees. Take a 2 star. After finding the angle R, we need to find the angle T. For us to find the angle T, we are going to find this angle. We can call this one Z. Let's find the angle Z. This is a triangle, and we know the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. That means if we take 20 degrees plus Z plus this is 90 degrees, it should be equal to 180 degrees. 20 degrees plus 90 degrees plus Z is equal to 180 degrees. 20 degrees plus 90 degrees gives us 110 degrees plus Z is equal to 180 degrees. Then Z will be equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. And this will give us the angle Z to be equal to 70 degrees. Knowing the angle Z at 70 degrees, it is possible now for us to find the angle T. The angles T and Z, they are straight line angles. That means they sum to 180 degrees. T plus Z is equal to 180 degrees. It simply means T plus Z is 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. This will give us our T to be equal to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees, which is equal to 110 degrees. This is the angle T. Knowing the angle T, it is possible for us to find the angle U. The angles T and U, they are straight line angles. We take a 3 star. U plus T is equal to 180 degrees. This means U plus the angle T is 110 degrees. If you take their sum, it is equal to 180 degrees. If we make the angle U the surgeon formula, U will be equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. This will give us the angle U to be equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees is simply equal to 70 degrees. Next, we are to find the angle S. We know the angle T, we know the angle R, we need the angle S. This is a triangle. The sum of the three interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Take first term. It simply means if we take S plus T plus R, it should be equal to 180 degrees. That is S plus the angle T is equal to 110 degrees plus the angle R is equal to 30 degrees. It should be equal to 180 degrees. This will give us S plus 110 degrees plus 30 degrees gives us 140 degrees. It's equal to 180 degrees. Then our S will be equal to 180 degrees minus 140 degrees, which is simply equal to 40 degrees. We are done with the solution. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.